Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I will be showing you how to set up a pretty epic Discord bot by the name of Plasma. But specifically, I'll be showing you how to set up the invite manager / tracker of the bot. So yeah, essentially Plasma is a pretty good actually, multifunctional Discord bot. It has leveling, invite tracker, welcome messages, and a whole lot more. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so take the first link in the description and it'll take you to top.gg/bot and the numbers. This will take you to Plasma. Now, as you can see, it says easy to set up, reliable, free, create giveaways, track people's invites, and use our free misspelled leveling system. Yay. Alright, so we're just going to quickly throw in an invite right now. We're going to invite him to... by the way, here's my Rainforest Resort server, link in the description. But today it's going to be Plasma server. We're not going to give him administrator. That's not really a good idea. Complete the reCAPTCHA, and boom, he's now added. Alright, so I've added Plasma. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type -help just to make sure that it's working, and boom. So now right here, we're going to go to the settings, and then as you can see, we have join channel and join message. These are the two that we're going to be using. As you can see, we have a lot more things. Like for example, we can create a giveaway, leveling. We can track messages as well. And yeah, a whole lot more. It also has a meme command. Alright then. That's a pretty thick meme. But here we are. So we're going to start out with dot, and then we're going to do join message. So now if we type this, it will give you this message. And this is perfectly normal. This isn't really an error message. It's just telling you what to do. So now all of Plasma is set up inside of Discord. It is not set up outside in like an external website. So I can type join message set, and then I'm just gonna say hi. Oh, error. So you have to set the join channel first. That's epic. Perfect. So join channel set, and then whatever your welcome channel is minus #welcome. So boom. Alright. So now if we do join message set hi, so now this server's join message has been set to hi. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an alt, and then I'm going to add him to the server and see if Plasma actually sends the message. Alright, here we go. So sometimes Plasma might be a bit finicky and won't send a message. If he doesn't send a message, what I would do is I would test out and maybe give him a new role that has a ton of perms. And then I can also go to the welcome channel and I can give him some permissions, like every single one, and he'll eventually send the message. Perfect. So my Waveclaw alt just joined and he sent hi. Awesome. So now we can get into the variables. So what we can do is we can do dot join message set. Now also note that you can make this an embed as well, but I prefer just a normal message. So we can join message set, and then username, or we could do user mention. So I'm just gonna do user and then colon mention. So this essentially pings the user whenever it joins. User.mention just joined. Just joined. And then you can do, for example, guild colon name. Epic. I just got a ping. That's great. You know, yeah, I'm just gonna go into D&D. Epic. Guild.name. Guild colon name, whatever. And then I'm going to do user username was, oh, nope, hold on, outside of the brackets. Username was invited by, and as you can see, we have all these inviters, codes, variables. So I'm going to do inviter, and then I'm going to do username. And then I'm going to do parentheses, and then brackets, and then inviter, invites. So essentially, this is how many invites the inviter has. So yeah, and then you can test out with all of these different variables, like for example, user.discriminator, which is the little tag, the numbers. User created age, inviter username discriminator mention, so you can mention the inviter. Inviter invites total, inviter invites leave, inviter invite fake invites. Yeah. We also have the code of the invite, how many uses the invite has, and the maximum uses of the invite. So yeah, as soon as I enter, it will set it to this. I'm just going to quickly kick Waveclaw Alt, because I can. And it's kicked, and now we can see if it works. Alright, here we go. Join, and... Alright, yeah, I figured out the problem. When I did user:mention, there can't be a space. So I'm just going to quickly copy and paste this. I'm just going to copy .join message set. I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to take away the spaces. This space, if there's a space, it will just send the brackets, as you saw. So I'm going to remove the spaces, and then it should work. And take away these. Alright, so now this should work. Alright, here we are. The moment of truth. Will my alt get the welcome message? That probably sounds pretty dumb, but here we go. And boom! At Waveclaw Alt, which is my alt, just joined Plasma Server, the server name. Waveclaw Alt was invited by Waveclaw18, who currently has 0, but now I have 1. You can't really do anything to change that. Just remember that whenever someone joins, then it will automatically, then you can just add 1 to this number. So now I have, yes, 1 invite. Now I have 1 invite. So yeah, essentially that was how to set up the Plasma invite manager. The reason I'm doing this is because you all know the invite manager bot, right? He's offline for so many servers, and I just decided that, hey, I gotta do this tutorial because like a ton of people don't have invite managers up. So yeah, that was essentially how to set up the invite manager bot, style bot. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like rating down below, and of course, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. Hit it to all, not none, because yeah, please. Thanks for watching this video, and also join my Discord, link in the description. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one. Epic.